Maganda sa maganda ang expander. There's no doubt about it. Pero, good day guys. So, video tayo ulit ngayon. So, I'd like to share lang naman something. Maganda sa maganda ang expander. There's no doubt about it. Pero, if you have that, mas malaking budget, why not go for something else na iba and different? Yung alam mo, bago sa market. So, pakita ko sa inyo itong ating Destinator GT. Tsaka, bakit ko sinasabing try for this unit instead of going pa rin sa expander. I have nothing bad to say about expander guys ha. Kaya nga siya number 1 best selling unit. Kasi maganda talaga siya. Pero, my point is, if we can go for something else, newer, mas enhanced ang technological features at mas futuristic, why not try this Destinator GT or kahit yung GLS guys, pwede rin yun. So, papakita ko sa inyo some features sa loob. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So, eto nga yun guys, yung ating Destinator GT two-tone variant natin. So, I will be pointing out the reasons why you should go for this unit, lalo kung may extra budget ka naman, 'di ba? Kasi una, parehas sila ng expander, may 360 camera, tapos yung mga ilaw, daytime running light, headlight unit itself, pati yung fog lamps, all LED. Pero kasi, when it comes to engine, though gasoline din to, turbocharge naman to guys. Tapos water intercooled pa. Kaya imagine yung fuel consumption na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo ng unit na to. At the same time, it looks different from the others kasi nga bago at fresh pa sa market. And at the same time, you can get taller look here kasi 18 inches naman yung mags nito tapos two-tone din. So, medyo it's bigger, 'di ba? Dun sa expander natin. Yung turn signal lamps niya nandito. Meron ding 360 multi-round monitor. Naka-block na rin yung side mirror. Keyless entry din. So, leather. Tapos makita nyo yung mga pula-pula na ilaw na yan. Yan yung ambient lighting. And 64 colors to choose from yun guys ha. Tapos meron tayong 6 speakers na lahat ay powered by Yamaha o yung tinatawag nating Yamaha Dynamic Sound. Tapos sa dashboard, leather tayo. Tapos yung SDA or yung smartphone link display audio mo with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na rin yan. Tapos multi-function din yan guys ha. Kasi pwede mong kontrolin dyan yung iyong sunroof and even yung pagpapalit ng kulay ng ambient lighting tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina. Tapos dual zone na rin yung aircon. Ibig sabihin ng dual zone guys, pwede mong iset yung temperature differently from the driver tsaka dito sa passenger side. So pwedeng magkaiba. Tapos push start button, syempre of course may mga drive modes. I believe there are 5 drive modes ang ating Destinator. Yung steering wheel guys, tilt and telescopic adjustment na yan. Tapos, CVT na rin pala to guys ha, CVT. Tapos yung leather seat natin, yung material natin, naka-leather tayo guys. So, consistent even sa kanyang center console. Tapos, may cooler din guys, di ba? Kaya niyang i-maintain yung coldness ng drinks. Tapos, even sa second row, consistent din yung ambient lighting. Tapos may mga wireless charging din dito, 'di ba? Meron tayong mga sockets dito para sa mga wired charging naman. By the way, yung aircon din pala guys, may special technology din to, yung tinatawag nating Nano-X technology. Yun, pinifilter niya yung airflow sa loob ng unit. Second row, silipin natin. May leather pa rin, syempre. And ambient lighting. Tapos, pwede mo rin iset yung temperature sa second row differently. Yan, tapos may mga speakers pa rin tayo doon. Yamaha pa rin yan guys. Okay, tapos may ambient lighting syempre, aircon vents nandyan, and consistently naka leather seat din. Even dito sa ating third row seat na naka-fold lang. Tapos by the way, look at the space guys, napakalaki niyan. 'Di ba? So ibang-iba siya. So again, calling out those who are planning to get the expander, baka ma-consider nyo to. Okay, and later at the end of this video, sasabihin ko kung bakit nyo dapat i-consider. 'Di ba? Ito naman yung rear side niya. So, detailed look lang sa kanyang tail light. All LED yan, guys. Tapos, since this is the top of the line, you get the emblem, the Destinator emblem. Kompleto yan, guys. Tapos, pin type antenna. By the way, medyo madumi, guys, kasi this is for release today at ika-car wash na lang. So, what else could you say? Diba? I mean, bibili ka na rin lang ng sasakyan. Why not try something na fresh at alam mong hindi ka ipapahiya when it comes to features, benefits, and sa advantage niya. So that's it guys, no? Let this video be an option for you bago ka mag-proceed sa decision mo between expander and other units. Kung kaya naman ng budget, why not try this unit? Kasi napakaganda rin naman ng offer natin dito. Bukod sa hindi sila nagkakalayo ng monthly amortization ng expander, GLS at Cross. So ito guys, ang ating Destinator GT and even yung Destinator GLS na yan, yung black na yan, parehas po yan guys, naka zero down payment sa ating in-house financing, tapos may 40,000 pesos na free fuel din yan. At saka syempre, nagbibigay rin tayo ng napakaraming freebies or lalabas yung unit mo guys ng kasa ng fully accessorized na. So sa hood, lalagyan natin ng Destinator emblem din yan. Busina mo, gagawin nating Bosch Europa horn, interior accessories natin sa loob, lalagyan din natin. So, yun lang guys for this video. I hope nakatulong ang video na to sa pag-decide mo. And yun lang, if ever na interesado ka, na-convince kita, hit me up. Nandiyan naman ang contact details ko, so madali mo akong matatawagan. If may questions, mas mabuti, tawagan niyo ako guys. Sasagutin natin lahat yan. So again, calling out all our interested clients, mapa OFW man, locally employed business owner or seaman, message mo lang ako sa aking contact details na nandiyan sa taas na screen. Usap tayo.